Yo, this is just a quick video for any person that's looking to invest in real estate and do a lot of the work yourself. More power to you. I'm one of those people as well. What I'm doing right now is there was like some vinyl on the floor. We pulled that up. There was a lot of little pieces left because the adhesive kept a little bit of the stuff on the vinyl, on the floor. But what we did was we scraped it up. We scraped it up best we can, and then we cleaned it up real good, right? So what I'm doing now is painting this. I'm cutting it out. I'm cutting it out so I can roll the field. I'm cutting out the edges so I can roll the field. And this is just a strategy that we're using to save money. So, hey, look, I just want to show you guys what I'm doing to save money within regards to renting these properties. And the paint, this is good paint. It's the Behr. Let me show you guys what kind of paint this is. You can't even see it, but it's Behr porch and patio. And it's a concrete paint. So we prepped the floor, cleaned it up, and now I'm just painting the edges. I'm taking care of that. We already painted the walls and stuff like that. So I'm getting this part taken care of. And this was like $31 a gallon because I got the gloss too. But I'm gonna put some polyurethane on here as well, just to seal this paint because I don't wanna have to come down here again. So I'm gonna put a couple coats of that polyurethane. It is a thick brand. I forget the name of the brand, but that's what I'm gonna do. Anyhow, I just wanted to drop this and just let you know, hey, look, if you're gonna invest in real estate and you're gonna do property managing yourself, be prepared to get on your knees and be prepared to roll up your sleeves and put the work in. I'll holler at you guys later.